The reason, Your Lordship, I can no longer be able to be in court and face you. There are serious allegations here. There has been harassment that I should not be part of this case. From the police, from the NPA.
Kumangaze abaningi ukhoxa kungazelele muntu kuka Advocate Malesela Teffo ekumeleni abasolwa abane kuleli cala. Ubeke izizathu zokuthi kunabantu abamsongelayo kusukela aqala ukumela abasolwa bese kukaningi ke kunongaboni ngasolinye phakathi kwakhe nejaji elengamelele licala limsola ngokuchitha isikhathi senkantolo. Izolo inkantolo ibilindele ukuzwa izethulo zakhe kepha ke walilaxaza leli cala.
I still reiterate that I think this is a protocol and the right protocol because the matter belongs to the parties, to the state and the accused, not to the court. The court has to listen what the parties have agreed upon.
No.
There is agreement.
The court has to direct these proceedings. I cannot hear from the two of you. I have to direct my proceedings the way I know proceedings should run.
Advocate Teffo ubefuna ukuhlinzeka inkantolo incwadi yommangalelwa wesithathu nequkethe izinsolo zongaphathwa kahle ejele aboshwe kulo. Kepha ke inkantolo ibinganeme ngalokhu. Umthobisi Ncube ugcine esebizwa ukuba angene ebhokisini lofakazi. Emva kwalokho uadvocate wahoxa isigubhukane.
Well excused. Advocate Teffo, you derobe once you are out of the court. You don't derobe here from.
What happened yesterday, amongst others, we saw my colleague, Advocate Teffo, derobing after he had finished addressing the court, having withdrawn. It is an absolute no-no. You don't do that. You also do not speak disrespectfully towards your colleagues. Worse off, you do not address the judge in the parlance that he did.
Umkhandlu wabameli iLegal Practice Council ukuqinisekisile ukuthi lukhona uphenyo oluqhubekayo oluthinta uAdvocate Teffo. Leli cala lizobuyela enkantolo mhla 2 kuNcwaba. Nokuyilapho ke kuzokwaziwa khona ukuthi ingabe abasolwa abane bamtholile na ummeli.